I also want to ask you about charitable giving. I am told you're forecasting that charitable giving this year is going to be down, and it's because of the tax reform deal. Take me through it.
So they raised the standard deduction to $12,000 for single people, $24,000 for married. So that means that people who are giving to charity this year, they could be in the standard deduction, which means if they give $5,000 to charity, take a $10,000 from the SALT deduction, they're getting nothing, no deduction for charitable giving. And again, I'm not an accountant. They should talk to their accountant. But there's these great vehicles out there called donor-advised funds, which I'm advising people to consider doing to help with that.
But that's if they take the standard deduction.
So even if you, well, let's suppose you don't want to take the standard deduction. You could give $25,000, $50,000 to this donor-advised fund. You front load 5-10 years of charitable giving. You get the deduction this year. The money grows in an account, by the way, and you have your entire lifetime to give this to multiple charities. Something happens to you, it goes to your spouse. So instead of giving, let's say, $5,000, $5,000, $5,000, getting no benefit, why not give $25,000, $50,000 this year? Or even think about giving appreciated stock. Again, 300% upside since Lehman Brothers. There's some appreciated stock out there. Consider putting that donor-advised fund.
So wait, a donor... Well, I've got to write this down. Donor advice fund. Is it only Morgan Stanley that sells it?
Morgan Stanley has them, but other companies have them. It's a 501c3 tax-exempt vehicle. Once you put it in the vehicle, it's not your money anymore. You get the deduction. But you control the account. It's almost like a foundation, but I think it's much more simpler, and you know, it's got great advantages.
So you can put a ton of money in now and get the deduction for this year.
Absolutely.
But actually distribute it in future years as you see fit.
Absolutely, and it can grow. You can actually take that money and put it in the market, and it could grow. Or you could keep it in cash, but it's incredible vehicle.
Wait a minute, it's December the whatever it is, 9th or 10th or something. You know, you're coming to me with this on December the 10th. We've only got 21 days left in the whole year.
Stuart,
late, son.
We'll figure it out together.
Okay. Jonathan Burkan, Morgan Stanley guy, thank you very much indeed. Donor Advice, what was the name of it?
Advised Funds.
Advised Funds. That's interesting, son. Thank you very much indeed, Jonathan.
Thank you so much.
See you again soon. Thank you.